time you go, you also see.
Huh?
The time they were going, also just go there.
They can.
Just
No, here the people from here they don't just watch.
All the box, let them stop. Not the big.
You see the area, the area for the white people. Here they see. Oh, if someone there from the pull the gun, you're gonna shoot.
Of course.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. White people they don't joke.
The other guy was stealing by Somerset Mall. He comes to steal by the ATM.
Yeah.
Now they're running to the car. While they're running to the car, the other guy, white guy, was standing.